Welcome, students. In today's lecture, we will discuss Pride and Prejudice, a novel written by Jane Austen. First, we will talk about all the major and minor characters in this novel, and in the later part of the video, we will talk about chapter wise summary of this novel. So, let us begin with the characters in this novel. Mr. Bennet. Mr. Bennet is father of Bennet sisters. He is witty and amusing person, but somehow he is irresponsible towards his family. Then Mrs. Bennet, mother of Bennet sisters, she is vulgar and she is not polite. And her only aim in life is to get her daughters married. Jane Bennet. Jane is the eldest Bennet's daughter and she falls in love with Mr. Bingley. She is sweet tempered and she is very honest. Then Elizabeth Bennet. She is the second daughter and she is the heroine of the novel. She is witty, she is lively, sensible, and she is initially prejudiced against Mr. Darcy, but eventually she falls in love with him and she marries him. Mary Bennet, the third daughter, she is pedantic, she has neither talent nor taste. Then Catherine Bennet, or you can say Kitty Bennet, the fourth daughter, she is weak spirited. Lydia Bennet, the youngest daughter of Bennet family, she is silly and thoughtless, she is selfish, and she elopes with Mr. Wickham. Mr. Collins, a distant cousin of Mr. Bennet. Then Mr. Fitzwilliam Darcy, he is the hero of the novel. Initially he is proud and prejudiced, but he is generous and magnanimous, and he corrects his pride through his love for Elizabeth Bennet. Georgiana Darcy, she is Mr. Darcy's sister. She is reserved and shy by nature. Colonel Fitzwilliam, he is Mr. Darcy's cousin. He is handsome and well behaved. Lady Catherine de Bourgh, she is Mr. Darcy's aunt. Miss de Bourgh, Lady Catherine's daughter. Lady Catherine wants Mr. Darcy to marry her daughter. Then Charles Bingley, he is Mr. Darcy's friend. He is handsome, he is attractive, easygoing, and instantly he falls for Jane Bennet. Then Caroline Bingley, Mr. Bingley's sister. Mrs. Hurst, another sister of Mr. Bingley. Then Mr. Hurst, her husband. George Wickham, he is a selfish and unprincipled man and he elopes with Lydia Bennet. Charlotte Lucas, she is Elizabeth's friend. She is plain and unromantic. Sir William Lucas, Charlotte's father. Mrs. Lucas, Charlotte's mother, she is kind and gentle. Mr. Gardiner, uncle of Bennet's sisters. Mrs. Gardiner, his wife. Then Mr. Philip, Mr. Bennet's brother-in-law. Mrs. Philip, Mr. Bennet's sister. Then Mr. Denny, a friend of Mr. Wickham. Colonel Foster, he is a colonel in Mr. Wickham's regiment. Mrs. Foster, colonel's wife. Mrs. Reynolds, she is a housekeeper at Pemberley. Mrs. Jenkinson, she is governess to Miss de Bourgh. Now let us start chapter wise summary of this novel, Pride and Prejudice. So chapter 4. Mr. and Mrs. Bennet, with their 5 daughters, Jane, Elizabeth, Mary, Kitty, and Lydia, lived at Longbourn. So Longbourn is a name of a village and it is also used for the house in which the Bennet family lives. Okay. In their neighborhood, there is Netherfield Park. This name is given to the house taken by Mr. Bingley on rent. Mrs. Bennet was very excited to learn that Netherfield Park had been let by Mr. Bingley, who is a very young man with a large fortune, with 5 daughters to be married off. This was really a good news to Mrs. Bennet. Mrs. Bennet wanted Mr. Bennet to visit Bingley as soon as he came, but Mr. Bennet took the whole thing rather casually. Chapter 2. Though Mr. Bennet had refused to visit Mr. Bingley, but he was among the earliest of those who waited on him, but he kept this news to himself. And Mrs. Bennet was quite in a state of despair because she thought that some other mother with an eligible daughter would meet Mr. Bingley first. But after a few more tantalizing moments, Mr. Bennet announced that he had already paid the visit to Mr. Bingley. All the ladies of the house were both astonished and rapturous at that moment, and Mrs. Bennet made immediate plans to invite Mr. Bingley to dinner. Chapter 3. Mrs. Bennet gets a report about Mr. Bingley from her neighbour, Lady Lucas, according to which Mr. Bingley was quite young, wonderfully handsome, extremely agreeable. In a few days, Mr. Bingley pays visit to Mr. Bennet's house, but he politely declines Mrs. Bennet's invitation to dinner as he would be in London the next day. Then there is a ball. Ball means a dance party in Meryton. In the ball, Mr. Bingley's party consisted of 5 persons: Mr. Bingley, his 2 sisters, Mr. Hurst, who is the husband of the elder sister, and one of Mr. Bingley's friend, Mr. Darcy. Mr. Darcy is a fine, tall, handsome guy with good features. However, he was soon discovered to be haughty and fastidious. He was unworthy to be compared with his friend Mr. Bingley because Mr. Bingley was so lively and friendly, unreserved and easygoing person. In the ball, Bingley suggests Darcy to dance with Elizabeth. But Darcy refuses, saying that she is tolerable but not handsome enough to tempt me. This remark was made in full hearing of Elizabeth. Chapter 4. Jane and Elizabeth exchanges their impressions about Bingley's when they were alone. Both agrees that beside being handsome, Mr. Bingley had very happy manners, but they could not agree over their assessment of the Bingley sisters. While Jane, who never saw a fault in anybody, considered them charming. On the other hand, Elizabeth was little disposed to approve of them. She found them very proud and conceited. In this chapter, we get to know that in spite of great opposition of character, Mr. Bingley and Mr. Darcy were very good friends. Bingley was easy and open, and on the other hand, Darcy was clever, but he was haughty and reserved and fastidious. Though Darcy was very well bred, his manners were not inviting, so he was continually giving offence to others. Bingley and Darcy had very different impressions of the Meryton ball. Bingley thought he had never met with pleasanter people or prettier girls, and on the other hand, Darcy says that he had seen a collection of people in whom there was little beauty and no fashion. Chapter 5. Here we meet Lucas family. The Lucas family lived at Lucas Lodge within a short walk of Longbourn. Sir William Lucas, by nature, he was inoffensive and very friendly. Lady Lucas was very good and kind woman, although she was not very clever. They had several children, and the oldest is Charlotte Lucas. She is a sensible and intelligent young woman, and she is about 27. And she was an intimate friend of Elizabeth Bennet. On the morning after the ball, the Lucases went to Longbourn to discuss the event. Charlotte had overheard that Mr. Bingley telling a friend that Jean was the prettiest woman present there, and Charlotte had not felt much offended by Darcy's pride, because she felt that with family fortune and in fact everything in his favor, he had a right to be proud. And on the other hand, Elizabeth, who was irritated with Darcy's cold contempt, remarked, I could easily forgive his pride if he had not mortified mine. So that is all for today's lecture. We will continue the novel in our next video. Thank you.